Today we'll go through the proper setup, operation and shutdown for the ICEsonic Smart Pro. The Smart Pro is ICEsonic's entry-level machine designed to be more efficient, powerful and cost-effective than competing models in this class. It's capable of operating at pressures up to 12 bar and can deliver dry ice rates up to 40 kilograms per hour. These specs provide excellent performance and versatility in a small, lightweight package. Let's begin with step 1, setup. When you receive your Smart Pro, you'll notice it requires some assembly. We'll start with the handlebar. Take the handlebar and insert it into the designated slot on the machine. You'll need to push the bolt towards the inside. Now on the interior of the machine, screw on the knob tightly to secure the handlebar in place. It's worth noting that this handlebar can be folded away when not in use, a useful feature for storage. Additionally, you'll find a convenient hanger for the hose on the handlebar. Next, we'll connect the blasting hose. For your convenience, I recommend locking the front wheel of the machine during this process to keep it stable. Look for the end of the hose with the machine icon. First, connect the air hose, secure it firmly with the wrench. Then attach the electrical connector and lock it in place with the yellow tab. Now let's move on to the applicator. Take the other end of the hose and connect it to the applicator. Again, use a wrench to secure this connection. Don't forget to attach the electrical connection here as well, securing it with another yellow tab. The final step here is to screw the nozzle onto the applicator. To complete the setup, we need to connect the power and air supply. At the back of the machine, you'll find ports for the electrical power cable and the compressed air hose. Connect both securely. Now that we've completed the setup, let's move on to step 2, operation. With the machine fully assembled, we can now prepare for blasting. First, power on the machine. Next, open the main valve to pressurize the unit and keep an eye on the pressure gauge. An important step now is to add a small scoop of dry ice to the system. This initial amount prevents clumping of dry ice, ensuring a smooth flow during operation. Once this initial scoop has been fully used, you can proceed to fill the hopper to its maximum capacity. You can adjust the dry ice flow rate on the dashboard based on your specific application requirements. To stop blasting, you'll need to double press and hold the trigger on the applicator. Release the trigger to stop. Start with a lower flow rate and gradually increase as needed for optimal cleaning results. Remember to keep the applicator moving to avoid overexposure in one area. With these guidelines, you're now ready to begin dry ice blasting safely and effectively. Finally, let's cover step 3, shutdown. After you've finished your blasting operation, it's crucial to shut down the machine correctly. Start by removing any dry ice that's left in the machine and closing the main valve completely. Then, trigger the applicator to depressurize the system. Next, ensure the connection between the compressor and the machine is also fully depressurized. Now you can switch off the Smart Pro. And there you have it, your ICEsonic Smart Pro is now ready for storage and transportation. For more detailed information, please refer to the user manual supplied with your Smart Pro. If you need any additional support or have any questions, you can always visit ICEsonic.com.